Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have another Hot Wheels case unboxing, and this time we have a case H. Yes, I have done a case H before. It was actually not too long ago, and it was the international case. This is a US case. So the cars are going to be pretty much the same cars, but the internationals usually come out a little bit earlier. So we are going to bust open this one in this video. It's a little crushed, so we probably have some damaged cars. However, I remember doing the other case H. Some of the cars I really wanted to open up, put on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I do YouTube shorts every single day with racing Hot Wheels, and a lot of these cars I do want to open up and put in there, but I don't want to open up any like perfect condition Hot Wheels, so if they're damaged, hopefully it's the ones that I want to open so I don't have to feel bad about opening up a perfectly fine Hot Wheel. But in the meantime, I do want to mention I am still doing a giveaway on my merch store. I'm giving away this Hot Wheel RLC 71 AMX Javelin, or AMC Javelin AMX. This is out of 30,000 and it's number 213. This is actually a really low production number. I'm giving this car away to one of you guys. All you have to do is hop on to my merch store. There's going to be a link in the description down below. shopmtparadise.com. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there, and probably a lot of the cars from this case will be available on my merch store. So if you guys are interested in picking up this car, or even any of the cars from here, I did collect a lot of the ones from the international H case I opened, so a lot of these cars will be on my merch store. So definitely go check it out. There's going to be that link in the description down below. But let me carefully lay these on the side. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. But like I said, if you guys are interested in picking up that Hot Wheel RLC, definitely go check it out. On my merch store, I do have a bunch of main lines, especially cars from this case. And as this video goes live, these cars are already available if you guys are interested. But I have mainline, premium, RLC, collector cars, and a bunch of other Hot Wheels on there, so definitely go check it out, and some other car related products. So shopmtparadise.com, get entered today. But let's go ahead and get started with the case unboxing. Go ahead and start right up on top. Let's see, okay, kind of feel something weird, like weird shape here. Alright, the cards are a little damaged. Alright, so starting off, we have the Corvette C6, the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, and the Hirohata Merc. Alright, next up we have, ooh, that's a nice one, the 63 Studebaker Champ. We have the Heavy Hitcher and the El Segundo Coupe. Alright, I have another Heavy Hitcher, a Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, which looks really cool. I really like that. It's kind of like that tank. And then we have the Dragon Blaster. Ooh, oh, okay. Wow, I didn't even... We got the Purple Passion, and it's actually the Treasure Hunt. So this right here, right behind the front tire, you can see the Treasure Hunt logo. And that is the Treasure Hunt for this case. If we turn it around here, you can see the text right there behind the car. And if you guys do not know what a treasure hunt is or aren't aware, it actually says, "Congratulations, the symbol means you just found a collectible treasure hunt vehicle." And this thing actually looks pretty cool. I did actually get this from the other case H. So if you guys are interested, this will be available on my merch store. I now have a new category for super treasure hunts and regular treasure hunts. So if you guys hop on my merch store, you guys will definitely see it. This will be in the mainline category as well as the treasure hunt category. So definitely go check it out. I'm going to set it aside for safekeeping. But another car I have available that a lot of people are really loving right now is this Honda Civic SI. It's finished in this beautiful white carbon fiber hood, but even has that red interior, which looks really, really cool. But that's also going to be available. And these cards actually look really great. So honestly, this was a really nice pull. And then also we have the Rockin' Railer. Alright, next up, we have the Group C Fantasy 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, and it's kind of like a nice maroon color. And then GMC Hummer EV in purple. Ooh, we got some more cars I know people are looking for. We got the Minecart, and it's actually the 15th anniversary one. And then we have the Nissan Skyline RS, and it's the R30, finished in a really nice green. I know a lot of people like Nissan Skylines as well. And then we also have the Fiat 500e. Let's see. We got the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, the 76 Greenwood Corvette, and the Glory Chaser. Ooh, okay, I really like this one, the Volkswagen T2 Pickup. We did see that in a previous color earlier this year, but I actually really like that car. And then we have the Hot Ryler and the Speed Dozer. Alright, we have the West Coast Flyer, the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, and the 64 Chevelle SS. I think that's really cool as well. Alright. Oh, I know this one's like one of my favorites. It's actually the Mad Mike, but it's the Mazda RX3, and it's actually the tuned vehicle. I think that looks really cool. I think some of the tuned cars look really awesome. But like I said, this Mad Mike theme, so that's pretty cool. We also have a 72 Stingray convertible and a El Segundo coupe. And like I said, these cars are available on my merch store, shopmtparadise.com, so definitely go check it out. We have the wheelie chair, another Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, and the Hot Wheel Braille Racer twin mill finished in green. If you guys don't know, there's actually Braille on the outside of the package. On the bottom of the car, some on the top, and some on each side. So it's actually really cool. And then the last three of the first half of the case. Oh, we actually have another Honda Civic SI, a Donut Drifter, and a Proper Chopper. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out that divider. And let's go ahead and get started on the bottom half of the case. Starting up right on top. Oh, that's a nice pull. So you got another Nissan Skyline RS, a 52 Chevy Pickup, and the King Cuda. Which is actually, they call it the King Cuda, but I believe it says Plymouth Barracuda on the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And it's obviously like the playing card theme, the King of Hearts. Alright. See, these are kind of sitting in there kind of weird. Because one's damaged. We have the Rapid Pulse, the 87 Dodge D100, and then the Jaguar Mark 1, which actually has a slightly bent corner. So that's kind of unfortunate. And ones like this I actually do not have on my merch store because I don't want you guys to be able to get some Hot Wheels and then get some damaged ones. But I'm actually thinking about having a category for like a little clearance section where if I do get some that are kind of damaged like that, it's not too bad, it's just a corner. I can throw it on there at like a really cheap price and you guys can still pick them up. I know a lot of people like to open up Hot Wheels, collect them like that. So maybe I'll do that in the near future if you guys are interested, especially if people who like to collect them open, they don't care what the package looks like. I know I want to put stuff on the 6-lane raceway. I do already have that one open for the track, so I don't want to open up that one as well. But let's go ahead and get the next three cars. Ooh, okay, so one of the ones I do want to open is the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. I think it looks really cool. This is a new casting for the year. I'm pretty sure they're going to come out with a bunch of colors later this year, but I really like this one with the little 86, the blue stripe on the hood. I really like that color scheme, so I might actually open up this one. But I do also have another one available, so if you guys are interested in that. And then we also have the Roland Solo and the Hot Wheel Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. Alright. Ooh, okay, we got another 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, another Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, and the Hot Wheel 405F. Oh, I really like this one, the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. We did see that in black earlier this year. It's the HKS theme, but now it's in like a dark blue with the same kind of theme on it. And then we have the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile and a 57 Jeep FC. Ooh, we got some really cool cars with this one. We got the McLaren Solus GT in that really nice orange, the 1968 Dodge Dart, and the another Mazda RX3 Mad Mike tuned. All right, we have another 52 Chevy Pickup, another 86 Dodge Dart, and another 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. Got some good duplicates in this case. All right. Oh, we got another, well, I got them before and from other cases, the BMW M3 wagon. I know a lot of people really like that one. The Dragon Blaster and a Rapid Pulse. We still have not gotten the Super or the car that would be the Super, so I'm really hoping we get the Super in this case. We're getting kind of close to the bottom here, so we're almost done. Oh, we actually have another BMW M3 wagon, a Volkswagen T2 pickup, and a Humvee. We actually got the Super. We got the Super treasure hunt right there. Oh my gosh. And the card is in great condition and the blister pack looks great. Oh my gosh. All right, so we got the Volvo P1800 Gasser, and that is really crazy looking. It wouldn't be like my favorite car in the world, but the fact that we got the Super treasure hunt is amazing. Right there, you can see the little pink TH for the treasure hunt. And I don't know if you can really tell, it has the rubber Real Rider tires on it, so those are all rubber. And then right there, you see the treasure hunt logo right behind the car. Or maybe if I turn it up a little bit, you can see it. There you go, you can see it a lot better that way. And like I said, the rubber tires, you got the fancier paint on that. Wow, we got the Super treasure hunt from this case. That is absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the description down below. But I am super excited to be able to get the treasure or the Super. It's very rare that I actually get a Super treasure hunt from doing a case unboxing. And I think this is really, really cool. I am super ecstatic. Wow, this is awesome. I'm definitely, like, right after this video, I'm going to drop that in a plastic protector to keep this thing nice and safe. But wow, I really did not expect that. That is so awesome. Wow. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of that down in the comments down below. That is amazing. And those Real Rider tires, you got the skinnies up front and the big fat tires in the back. That is such a cool car. It's pretty interesting. I love that shade of blue too. Wow, that is really awesome. All right, I'm kind of freaking out a little bit. I honestly did not expect that. I always pretty much say like, oh, maybe we'll get it in this case. And then every case it's like the same little spiel. But we actually got it. And this is actually really close to the side of the box that was smashed. So I'm surprised that this is actually in great condition. So I'm definitely going to be careful. I'm going to set that aside so nothing happens to it. Let's go ahead, finish up. We only have a few cars left anyway. We also have the, wow, okay. So we have the Road Bandit right here. And it actually has dented corners and a cracked blister pack. So the car right next to the Super is damaged, but not the Super. And then we also have another Humvee. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got, let's see, there we go. Wow, so we got a Audi 90 Quattro, which looks really cool. Ford F150 Lightning Custom, and 2007 Chevy Tahoe. And I believe these are the last three cars. Oh, we got another Audi 90 Quattro, a 72 Stingray convertible, and a Hot Wheel Braille Racer twin mill. Wow, so that was an awesome case, and I'm really glad I got that. And this is another reason why sometimes I do like repeat case unboxings. I know I did the international case not too long ago, but it was still kind of way ahead of the like US case. But it was really cool being able to, like I said, get another case. I can put a lot of these cards on my store for you guys to be able to go on, check them out, pick them up if you guys are interested. But also the fact that I was able to get a Super treasure hunt and be able to film the whole thing was actually really cool. Sometimes it's kind of funny to go back, look at some of my reactions with some of the unboxings I do. But if you guys, like I said, are interested in picking up the giveaway car, shop mtparadise.com. Go check it out. It's going to be a link in the description down below. Go check out the website with all these Hot Wheels and so much more. I have all kinds of Hot Wheels from all kinds of different cases and even some of the newer cases, newer than the Case H. But if you guys did like the video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and if you want to see a lot of other awesome Hot Wheel videos, definitely subscribe. But as always, thank you for watching.